Hi, in this video on matrices, we're going to take a look at a basic math operation, addition, and we're going to talk about how we can add matrices together. Now, one key rule when adding matrices is that you need to have your 2 matrices or 3 matrices or 7 matrices, however many there are, need to have the same dimensions. And so to check this, if we remember from lesson 1 on matrices, our dimensions are listed rows by columns. So this first matrix, if we take a look, it's 2 rows, and it's 1, 2, 3 columns. So this would be a 2 by 3 matrix. Our second matrix, if we take a look, we see it also has 2 rows, and it also has 3 columns. That's also a 2 by 3 matrix. So since the dimensions are the same, that lets us know that we can go ahead and move forward with the addition of these 2 matrices. Now, in order to add them together, we're simply going to take a look at each term in its corresponding position and add those values together. Just those numbers in the same positions in each matrix. So for example, here, our resulting matrix, we start with 1 and -2. We can see those 2 terms are in the same location. So we would add 1 and -2 together, and when you do 1 plus a -2, the result is, if you said -1, you're correct. So -1 would go in that location in our resultant matrix. Now we can go ahead and go through the same routine with all the other numbers in their corresponding positions. And for right now, I'll use different shapes to show the numbers that we're pairing together when we add them. So here we have a -4 and a +3. -4 plus +3 gives us, good, -1. Again, for that term. 6 and 0, we use a triangle to pair those off. So 6 plus 0 gives us a result of 6. And that's what we have for the top row in our resultant matrix. Now we're going to go through the bottom row of our matrix and we're going to do the same thing. Here we would take 2 and 1 and add them together. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Then 3 and 5. The result when we add those together gives us 8. And -1 plus -4. Keep in mind, when you're adding a -1 plus a -4, it's the same as saying -1 minus 4. Your result is going to be -5. So your answer when adding these 2 matrices together would be a new matrix that has the same dimensions. We can see this is still a 2 by 3 matrix. And the numbers would be -1, -1, 6 across the first row, 3, 8, and -5 across the bottom row. If you have more questions or comments, please feel free to leave them on our channel. You can subscribe for further videos, and you can visit our website at www.sandersontestprep.com to learn more. Thanks for watching.